Hey, good morning traders and welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester. On this video, I want to teach you the strategy we use inside the day trading signals group for binary options. The idea of this video is how our team is working and teaching you this strategy to know when or where is the good moment to take the trade, when the admin says look this pair, trade for a put, trade for a call on the next candle, what settings have inside of the indicators, the moving average, RSI and the stochastic oscillator to know what direction to take it with this type of signals. So let's rock with this video. Okay traders, right now look my screen and just to show you how to trade with this strategy for binary options and follow the signals. The admin is gonna look into this same chart and he's waiting for three indicators: the moving average crossing each other, the RSI crossing the 50% looking right here, and the stochastic oscillator is oversold, so we can buy or overbuy or oversold depending what direction we are going to take the trade. So the admin look at the same chart you are looking to and it's gonna tell you trade for the next candle, maybe for a put, but stop right there. You need to know what is the settings to maybe have a better view in the moment then they send the signal. Okay, for example, he says take it for a call the next candle, the next candlesticks, but maybe you look something different. For example, the stochastic is oversold, maybe I can take it for a put, or doesn't look good to take it for a call direction that trade. So we waiting for and don't take the trade. The 2 minutes, it's gonna telling you the admin you can trade for 2 minutes with this signal and waiting for how ending that trade. What we need to waiting for: to crossing the moving average, to crossing the stochastic oscillator, and the RSI indicator is above or below, depend direction of the trade, of the 50% inside this one here, the 50%. So if it is above, you can trade for a call. If it is below, you can trade for a put. The strategy is simple to understand and to follow. Maybe you don't have that knowledge, previous knowledge, to follow the signals inside the day trading signals group. And what this means, because you're looking here to another 200 moving average, that is for to know what type of trend we have. The admin is only gonna take the trades follow the trend. That is a rule here inside the day trading signals group, so we can have a better percentage in the money inside of 1 hour of trading. It's simple, it's nothing complicated at all. You can follow these simple steps and you can generate profits if you respect the indicators, respect the rules, and how to follow these signals. Let's go to change the amount and trade seriously with 200. So what type of markets we avoid to trade with you is this type, when the three moving average are so close together and we have a rank market. For example, this is a rank market. You can look in it here. We don't know what direction is going to take the market in the next minutes, so it can be risky for us trade and with this market right now. So I always prefer trade, follow the trend, and have a clarified idea how to trade with this strategy. Maybe we can find a good example. Maybe this one can be a good example for a call again, waiting for to crossing the moving average, the crossing the 50% of my RSI indicator. Remember, it's not always gonna be the RSI indicator for oversold or overbuy, but the stochastic oscillator is necessary stay for oversold or overbuy. So this means waiting for these indicators complain everything, we can trade for 2 minutes. The admin says stay tuned with, I don't know, this currency pair. This is OTC market. I like to trade with the OTC market. For example, it's gonna be euro and USD. So stay tuned with euro USD, have the same settings looking in the market right now. So we are waiting for to cross the moving average inside the stochastic oscillator, crossing these two moving average too, and crossing to the 50% my RSI indicator, and that's it. We are waiting for that. And look at it. If that happened, we can have a good trade and a good signal. The admin says trade for 2 minutes. So configure your clock. Can be with Quotex, can be with pocket option. The broker do you prefer? And we trade the direction, follow the trend. The admin says trade for a call because we have an uptrend. The 200 moving average is below the chart and have a good distance between. So we can have that confidence this is going to be a good trade and a good signal for us. So we are waiting for this opportunity. The admin look in the market too and says stay tuned, and the moment they cross and the moving average you can trade, and that's it. We are waiting for, if we don't cross it, never take the trade. Even the admin says trade for the next candle, because sometimes the admin is gonna try to predict what's gonna happen, because inside the day trading signals group we know have a newbies. Maybe they don't know what is all of this means, so it can be complicated to understand when or where I need to take, and that people are waiting for enter right now for 2 minutes with $10, and that is not gonna happen. This is not a trading school, this is a trading signals. Look at this. The admin can say trade for a call for the next candle, but you are looking the same chart and looking the same signals with in the indicators, so it doesn't looking good. We don't trade with this for a call, because crossing the moving average here for a call, going to the down direction, and the same thing with the RSI. So we stay away of that currency pair and we don't trade. It's simple, guys. I really hope so this video can help you to follow the day trading signals group for binary options for your next day trading session. The link for the Discord channel free signals group is below this video, and the link to join us to the day trading signals group VIP is gonna be below of this video. I really hope so this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you on the next wave.